Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize closing processes with LoanDepot detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize closing processes with LoanDepot, start by familiarizing yourself with the LoanDepot platform. Log into your LoanDepot account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the closing process section. Review the checklist provided for essential closing documents. Ensure that all necessary documents are gathered, including the loan application and credit reports. Reach out to the borrower for any missing information or additional documentation. Utilize the integrated e-signature feature for quicker approvals on documents. Verify that all conditions outlined in the loan approval are met. Communicate regularly with all parties involved, including the borrower, appraiser, and title company. Schedule a closing date that accommodates all stakeholders. Prepare a closing disclosure document and send it to the borrower at least 3 days prior to closing. Confirm that the title company is ready with clear title and any other required documentation. Follow up with the appraisal team to ensure timely completion of the appraisal report. Use automated reminders to keep both borrowers and team members informed of upcoming deadlines. Implement a tracking system to monitor the status of each closing file. Address any last-minute issues swiftly and efficiently to avoid delays. After closing, ensure that all post-closing documents are filed and recorded properly. Review the entire process to identify areas for improvement for future closings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.